Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZaf channel. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the beast of 2026, the all-new BMW S1000RR. This superbike has always been a fan favorite among speed lovers and track warriors, but for 2026, BMW has taken things to a whole new level. From jaw-dropping performance upgrades to futuristic electronics, this motorcycle is more than just a machine. It's a statement of speed, power, and precision. Whether you're a hardcore racer or a weekend thrill seeker, the 2026 S1000RR is ready to blow your mind. Under the fairings, the S1000RR still rocks its signature 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, but for 2026, it's been refined to push out a staggering 215 horsepower and 84 lb-ft of torque. Thanks to lightweight titanium components and revised cam profiles, the throttle response is sharper than ever. Combined with an upgraded exhaust system and improved cooling, the new RR screams to 14,600 RPM like a fighter jet on two wheels. This isn't just fast, it's brutally fast. BMW didn't stop at the engine. The 2026 model is loaded with next-gen tech, including a smarter 6-axis IMU, enhanced dynamic traction control, and an all-new Race Pro mode that lets riders fine-tune everything from engine braking to throttle maps. The 6.5-inch TFT display has been upgraded with sharper resolution and an intuitive new interface. And yes, it comes with integrated GPS lap timing, Bluetooth connectivity, and a cornering ABS system that's borderline psychic. Visually, the 2026 S1000RR is pure aggression. It features a sharper front fascia with updated LED lighting, aerodynamic winglets for increased downforce at high speeds, and new color schemes that scream performance. The bodywork has been tweaked for better airflow, and weight has been reduced by about 7 pounds, making it one of the lightest liter bikes in its class. The carbon fiber wheels option? Absolutely insane, both in looks and handling. Despite its race DNA, the S1000RR doesn't punish you on the road. The adjustable suspension has been reworked for more compliance on rough surfaces, while still offering razor-sharp precision on the track. The riding position remains aggressive, but slightly more ergonomic than previous models. Whether you're hitting apexes or riding through the canyons, the 2026 model gives you that balance of comfort and control that very few superbikes can deliver. All this performance and innovation come at a price, but it's surprisingly reasonable for what you're getting. The base model starts at $19,995, while the M package version, with carbon wheels and racing electronics, will set you back around $26,995. Considering the cutting-edge technology, race-ready performance, and premium build quality, the 2026 BMW S1000RR offers incredible bang for your buck in the liter bike world. So, is the 2026 BMW S1000RR the best superbike money can buy? For many riders, absolutely. It's faster, smarter, lighter, and more thrilling than ever. It combines German engineering with pure racing soul, wrapped in one of the sleekest packages on the market. Whether you're chasing lap times or just want the ultimate street bike, the S1000RR is still the king of liter class performance, and for 2026, the crown fits tighter than ever.